little tiny hiccups.
He's falling asleep.
I need a burp. I need a burp. I need a burp. Oh, thank you. That's a hiccup. Can you give me a burp? He looks so drunk.